The top 10 things you need to know about biodiversity conservation.
Evaluate the following essential points gathered from the provided sources. Every species, from the tiny insect to the enormous elephant, contributes significantly to the fragile balance of our planet's ecosystems. As we see the consequences of climate change and habitat devastation, it becomes evident that we must act quickly and thoughtfully to safeguard biodiversity.
Consider the breathtaking sight of a coral reef bursting with life,
A bald eagle's majestic flight, or the tranquil beauty of a verdant rainforest.
These natural wonders highlight life's tremendous diversity and tenacity.
However, they serve as a harsh reminder of our need to protect this biodiversity.
We may make a real difference by cultivating a profound respect for the natural environment
and engaging in meaningful activities in our daily lives.
Whether promoting sustainable agriculture, campaigning for protected areas,
or nurturing biodiversity in our communities, every step forward demonstrates our dedication to a better planet.
Let's approach biodiversity protection with sincerity, humility, and commitment.
Together, we can shape a future where biodiversity thrives, ecosystems flourish, and humanity coexists with nature. The moment to act is now, and our combined actions will leave a legacy of conservation and stewardship to future generations. 1.
Integrating climate and biodiversity protection. This indicates that attempts to maintain biodiversity, such as preserving habitats and wildlife, should consider climate change mitigation techniques. For example, forestry projects help to conserve biodiversity while also removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, addressing both climate and biodiversity problems. 2. Improving planetary health. Planetary health is the total state of the Earth's ecosystems and natural resources. Conserving biodiversity is critical to maintaining a healthy planet because various ecosystems provide crucial services such as clean air, water, and soil fertility. 3. Managing forests sustainably. Sustainable forest management ensures that forests are appropriately utilized, without diminishing resources or harming species. For example, selective logging practices can reduce the impact on biodiversity, while still serving human demand for timber and other forest products. 4. Reduced pesticide and fertilizer use. Excessive pesticide and fertilizer use can affect biodiversity by contaminating soil and water, and killing valuable insects and animals. Organic farming and integrated pest management strategies can help reduce the need for toxic chemicals. 5. Get involved in ecological restoration. Ecological restoration is the process of returning degraded ecosystems to their natural state. This may include planting native plants, eradicating exotic species, and restoring wetlands or forests. Individuals and communities can contribute to biodiversity recovery by participating in restoration operations. 6. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. This philosophy promotes waste minimization by lowering consumption, reusing things whenever possible, and recycling materials to keep them from ending up in landfills or harming natural environments. 7. Make driving carbon neutral. Individuals can offset their vehicles' carbon emissions by supporting projects that sequester or reduce an equivalent quantity of CO2, such as forestry or renewable energy initiatives. 8. Implement renewable energy and energy efficiency. Switching to renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power reduces fossil fuel dependency, which helps mitigate climate change and protect biodiversity by minimizing habitat devastation caused by resource extraction. 9. Vote for ecological sustainability. Learning about environmental policies and supporting politicians and projects prioritizing ecological sustainability can help influence government actions and policies affecting biodiversity conservation. 10. Recognize the interconnectedness of climate change and biodiversity loss. Understanding how climate change exacerbates biodiversity loss and vice versa emphasizes the importance of comprehensive conservation measures that address both challenges simultaneously. Individuals and groups can help to preserve biodiversity and promote environmental sustainability for future generations by taking action in these areas. Focusing on these critical areas can substantially contribute to biodiversity conservation and environmental sustainability. Subscribe and follow for more.